Hey YouTube, it's a cold and windy day in Johannesburg today. Anyway, I've been having issues with my sliding gate, and the inclement weather rather, hasn't been conducive to doing repairs. This is a mild steel guide rod, and this was the guide rod for my sliding gate, and it's all mangled now because we had to replace it. I suspect that this must have been about 40 years old because it was welded pretty well. I didn't go with a mild steel. Apparently today's mild steel would only last 4 to 5 years. So what was happening with the gate, and it was a difficult one to troubleshoot because we thought it was a limit switch or the little cam stoppers that it indicates to the gate when it needs to stop, right? And that's all controlled by the limit switch. So I inspected this guide rod when it was still installed, and I noticed that it was not true anymore, it was warped. So I did some research and then realized that this guide rod will need to be replaced. And also another thing that was happening is that as the gate was opening, it'll just suddenly stop. The gate technician thought that it was a PC board, but I thought no, it can't be the PC board, because what was happening was that the gate was sliding and then it would make quite a harsh sound as it was sliding towards the end. Then I thought, okay, maybe the ball bearings are worn out on the wheels. So I changed the wheels. It lasted for about 3 weeks and then it started doing the same exact thing again. Then I said, no, it's got to be something else. Did some research and it turned out to be the track. Inspected the track and I noticed that it was warped. So let me show you what I saw, and here's a sneak peek of how the gate technician was doing the repair. And then I will show you the new guide rod and how the gate slides now. So this is how it's sliding now with the new guide rod. And just about here, it used to make a very harsh sound. And now it's all repaired. So let me show you what was done. So this is a new guide rod here. This is a stainless steel rod, and it was welded onto this flat steel bar here. So initially I thought it's going to be quite a big job to replace this thing, because with all the dust and the dirt here, I didn't see that the flat bar was on the surface of the concrete foundation here. I thought that this entire concrete foundation will need to be broken to access this flat bar. I was wrong. After we cleaned it up, then we noticed that it was actually welded on to this flat bar here. So all we had to do was to use an angle grinder and grind it where the old one was welded, and then weld this new stainless steel guide rod onto it. So thank you for watching, and I hope it will help you